this video, I will show you how to order Doordash with Cash App. So first thing to do is open up your Doordash application, and then once you on this screen, simply click on any of this food that you want to order. Once you have selected, simply click on this add to cart option at the bottom. Now once your has been added to your cart, simply click on this view cart button at the bottom. Now this will bring this your product summary, such as all the amount you have to pay. So simply click on this continue button. Now it's going to your address where you want to deliver your food, so you can choose your address from here, and then your delivery time, simply select it and then click on this place order button. Now on the screen add tip if you want, but simply click on this place order button. On this payment, from here all you need to do is just click on this Cash App Pay option, and once you do that, bring up a window where you have to enter your Cash App details, and once you do that, your payment will be made with your Cash App. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.